What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. Some people, a bunch of things are going on TikTok where me I say, you know, them say Hakeem must go rush Rosealee and carry machine with him and slap up Rosealee. You see me I say a bunch, yo. Me don't know still if this a nigga ya Hakeem me attack is this type of person where them a paint him as first thing them say he must swim around, then them a say yo he make a lot of people get locked up on something because the badness where him a push. You see me I say because the brother when him must just something on that him have some things to say about Hakeem also. Sunshine says she know Hakeem because must fear her cousin did get him as a youth and find out say I'm a female youth. I think him cousin or somebody else. You see me I say then the next woman me hear upon a live I say yo Hakeem is not a person to play with. He's a dangerous youth. Where a bunch of things me hear them attack my people. So me I go share Wagwan, also Ivany, have some things to say to Dyema about the Rosealee situation. As me said, the brother when him just up man that him have some things to say about Hakeem, you know what I mean? Also the Dyema and figure it out and Rosealee situation cause them a say figure it out like him a chat Dyema something in that sort them people. Then them a go say figure it out Hakeem no they on good terms. And me I wonder how these people get them information here when Hakeem is a man where him not give out him business like that. You see me I say he's a private youth and him not have too much friends. Figure it out the same thing. You know what I mean? Then the group kind of mash up a little bit, you know what I mean? It no like together like one time cause Rosealee there so, Dyema there so, and plus Rosealee and Dyema in a vibes. You see me I say so who could leak out certain information so make we get in at my people. I want to tell me what you think.
Alright. You can write a book off of them.
Almost $4 million for the car, plus the 1.9, the last 1.9 in tech.
So me want to see if Rosealee now go up my mouth for them money there.
Me mama get 800 plus, you know, she da spend in between. Cause she buy much wig and this and that.
For the time she go make nice one look a washing machine. Warm to them money there.
And that's how she find out say the money missing. She go fi buy this. She never ask Jakes for the washing machine. She go fi buy it. And when she swipe the card, no money no the penny.
Hey, I just throw Jakes upon the right.
She come back, I call the bank. But visa fraud. When she don't know say the fraud they right next to her.
You see, I just throw Jakes up the right name and no man. I just throw Jakes up the right name and no man. And I just throw a setup team no that Jamaica right now. Make you see that boy go and say no man.
Because you know, remember say the boy did ask for all our TikTok sitting, you know. Who is to know say the TikTok money I go to him, they know. You never know. He probably change all the TikTok cash out and she don't know. Between
me and the whole of them thing, but she can't talk. Because them are hostage.
What kind of notification? She can read notification, Prince. She can read notification. If I see Rosa want bank yet, she can read. If I see she read, if I see she says she check her bank statement yet.
Boy, Dyema ball out for help, you know. And we if you know so Dyema ball out for help, you know. Dyema want to run way out tight, you know. But she can't just do it so because she's a hostage. Yesterday when she go ball out for the help and talk, you know, so them do. Come quiet her and say don't.
Then get her money, then get her money. She get her money and quiet. Then get her money for quiet her. When they see boy run come, then get her money.
So what you have to do when they are stage hungry? What you have to do?
You have to feed them. When they are you have to feed them.
You have to, oh, you mean they don't say that I go on?
Cause money she wants, you know. All them are defending the series. At this point, she not care, you know. She just want she came in. Them are Aries. Let me tell you about Aries woman. My mother is an Aries woman. Yes, when they set their mind on a goal, them achieve the goal there. So Dyema went in this series with an aim and a goal, and she not left until she accomplished it. And she not gonna make TikTok make she know she go in there and she say, listen, she want add on pan her house and she want get a car and she go get that. And no matter. I see right now it's like her Rose cross her a certain way, she don't give a fuck. It's all about her money. And some my mother says when they set their mind to something, you or nobody can't take their mind off of it. And she's an Aries woman. Aries woman love house. They're not business about certain things, but if you fix up house and name something there, and that Aries woman love. My mother love fix up house, appear house, everything a house. So when she says she not like car, when she says she not like car, me believe that. She says she love house. She not like car. She believe that. So she have a motive, you know. So once they give her fear money, Uncle Clifton, she will just easy herself. Because she's a business woman. It's all about her money.
Yeah,
it's all
but
about her money.
You have to realize it's a cult thing. Them.
No, she not focused on that. Uncle Clifton, she not care. They don't have Dyema under no cult. Dyema militant. Me not tell they have Dyema under no cult. I'm Rose alone under the cult. That's why Dyema used to try to show Rose a little pre. You understand? Dyema understand the assignment. She not under no as her money she a defend. That's why when the boy carry the money come, she just easy back. Cause she get what she a defend.
You realize how we are dealing with this thing though, militants.
I was alone on the program. Dyema not under the program. That's how Dyema did that traffic. Dyema did think say Rose militant a certain way all about her money. But Dyema misread her. Dyema did think say Rose was about the money too. And it's about business, but Dyema misread her. Dyema not care about all of the extra shit them. Dyema is about her money. She go in there with a goal and she left with that goal there. She get the house and she upgrade her car.
So all of them people where you here and make up pay nice over the other side. I pay then get her money.
They don't get no money now. They don't get no money now. They don't get a shit. They don't get nothing. They don't get nothing. They don't get a thing. Listen, they don't get nothing. Them just do it because them feel like say they important and a Rose they say they don't get one shit. Rose don't give them nothing. Rose only give man her money. Not even her pitney them. They don't get nothing. They don't get nothing.
So them are going to shame. The idea them are going to end up shame, though.
Yeah, they don't get nothing.
Them are going to switch. Them are going to switch, you know. You know them are going to switch.
They don't get nothing. They are shame. Them are shame. They don't get nothing. Dyema get what Dyema defend she get yesterday. She get some height. She not get everything, but she's heading in the direction where she wanted to go. Because she went into the series with a goal and she not left till she complete her goal.
Okay. Yo, Jano Star. I first never see this. Look, yo. That girl with that fat girl, man. Me no know, but it's a bad mind. But you can't say bad mind I walk on 2 foot.
And guess what happened now with Dyema too? Somebody just said in that chat and that's true. Guess what happened with Dyema? She no longer have to play hypocrite with the Rose.
Nice.
We don't realize that she and Rose with the panty, so the extra stress they come off her now. You understand? She not have to act like say they ain't good and they not good. The whole stress the way she not carry around when she have to, pretend like they ain't good and they not good. That they burden the lift her. She probably can gain back 5 or 10 pounds. Because I tell you, it's Aries woman, when they carry in their heart, they carry in their heart, you know. They carry you.
Who you feel have her back now?
She have her back. She not care who have her back as long as she have her back. She not care who have her back. Dyema militant. You see that? No, me not about Rose. You see Dyema right now? Me tell you with Dyema headspace there. You see that?
My people, you see Dyema? Me tell you something about Dyema, my people. Dyema can make it through whatever situation. You know why? Because Dyema, when the hype did kind of fade away, Dyema never make the hype what she used to have. make she feel like say certain things she can't do. Dyema start sell her clothes them or something. I think one of the time, how did I go on? I think I in a COVID, my people. You see me I say, in a COVID, you know what Dyema start do? Dyema start sell, what do they call it, produce. Dyema start sell scallion, thyme, and them something there in a COVID. So Dyema go always find a way out. You know what I mean? But you have some people where if you go up on the level there where Dyema go up on, them now go and do it. So them we sell their soul just to stay where they at. You know what I mean? So make you watch some more, my people.
Dyema right now is Dyema and Dyema only. I think we figure it out.
Yeah.
She and she only. Dyema,
Yeah,
she realized it, and trust me, she believes. I figure it out, chatter. She believe. But
Yeah,
she gonna feed him with a long spoon, you know. She gonna feed him with a long spoon.
But Rosalie,
Dyema no say Dyema and she and that Dyema and Dyema alone now. Dyema and Dyema alone. When it come to the dirty four, a Dyema and Dyema alone. She know, but trust me, she wake up feeling lighter because she could have released and say, listen, me not have to pretend like me and Rose good, and then nobody can come ask me nothing about Rose, and me have to go think about what me I go say and try to be politically correct. She just go focus and say, listen, I my money, and if we get booking, we go at the booking, and we go angle with business, and we go and that's it. I just business now.
well, me yeah. When Rosalie I come click live, so because she can't come out with no dirty tune and no attitude, look more, you know.
No, she get beat up. She can't do that no more. She'll get beat up.
She can't come out with no attitude. She have to come out militants, look more, and she can't handle militancy. Because I never see she come out militancy yet. So me I go looking for that. She depend look more. Me I watch her body movements, and she can't come out come shades nobody, and them sitting so. I'm going to say for the inner the ratness, she go click live look more because what she have to do that, she have to click live and see you look more. Right? And she not click live and see you look more. It now go look good pan her if she click it a whole laba. You understand? Because them I done play some gospel this morning, which a good thing that she do, yes, we broke the spell. You see? So me, I go really see if Rosalie really have a spell upon the people them by watching how she clicking the live. Look more.
And you see that voice note, you see that record when mother just play? That was the nail in the coffin with Rose and Dyema.
Alright.
You see that recording where mother just play? That was the nail in the coffin with Rose and Dyema.
Me not hear it, you know, so me not have an idea what it sound like. But as you say, me understand what you say. So you just nail the coffin, you nail back the coffin then, alright? So them not have no Latin part. You see, because the biggest mistake Rosalie do right now is burn the bridge before she cross it. So?
Don't get me wrong, you know. Dyema, we come back after England and bust everything up, you know. But she have a chance here who go England first. And don't get me wrong. She have a chance here who go England if England go happen first. Don't get me wrong, she bust up here after. But she have a chance, she make sure that the business no fuck up. She can see them go England, I want 2,000 pounds that she'll get in her pocket, you know, that can do a thing, you understand?
But me feel like say around out of the four of them five of them for go now. Around five of them for go out of five of them I must see two ago. I feel like a two ago. She and the brown youth when you TikTok or him one name. One youth figure to me see she and him play this morning. Is in. I feel like at them she and the youth they go cause two the youth they move happy like him get you and two Dyema move. Dyema just relax and they watch it play because Dyema no want go on a stage with Rosalie and them no want go England with the vibes that where them a build right now. It no look good.
Uncle Clifton, them go up on stage with Rosalie angle business and come off. She would do it. She would do it. She militant like that. She would go up on the stage and they could and talk to her on the stage to and do what she have to do and then come off. She would do it. She will do it.
When mother love her, mother love she go and then give her the stage, give her for close the show. Make she Rosalie close the show. Don't give her for open. You see, give somebody else to open the show and give Rosalie for close it. You don't laugh till a week, you see. You know you don't laugh till a week. You don't laugh till it pop up, you know. You believe me? Eh? You never see somebody will go up on a stage to the first and when them look and say them alone and them in this holy pop. They must think England stage and a nice stage to go up on. And worse like up the coal right now. And I call them I go. Up the coal right now. Be mother they up there up the coal. You see. But as you may say, this thing is not about live good. Them have too much people that say yeah. And too much people no. And them something there and it not benefit none of them more than I destroy them. You see. But may I tell you this. Right now, man I go dead. Man I go dead. And man I fi dead for man live. You see, it's just a matter of time. You know Jamaican badness go. And you see this boy run up, him can't stay in one place. Him soon have to move again. And him will come right in the alligator. Him feel like nobody don't know where my move go. At night, them a take a move like them a vampire. Can go vampire move at night. And nobody know want them monks him. You are trying not him enough thing I go on, you know? Enough thing I go on, I hide, I cover up. Because I don't want to call certain name Yasso. But enough thing I go on. Enough thing. And them a drive fear in a people. Because them claim to say him a bossy. But they say them look man, and some fly batty them, we fly a follow the whole of them. Because if them sit down for 24 hours, them now get up till them feel like say boy, John know them go full them belly and them eat and get list. Cause one of the worst thing when they eat and say you go bathe, you have bathe before you eat. Eat before you bathe and tell me how you feel. You get lazy. But when you bathe and go eat food, you feel good. Cause you're strong and have strength and thing. So what them I don't know is eat pan dirty skin. And when them eat pan and dirty skin, them just feel lousy, then that him want to wash out all the plate till them feel for eat again. Yo, Jabby. Me don't know, I just tie them forget tie, she forget tie up in her right now, no need to tie up in her because right now to where she me not even want to use the word kidnap, you know. You have to just use a different
They say a hog nap. Uncle Christian, they say a hog nap.
Do sir, you go pop Molly and then you come over here, so I tell we say you a murderer, sir. And I'm gonna tell you very clearly when you come out here, son, I say people out here, bad mind and where we want to see for the Fantastic Four. Nobody can come over here so come do no self-inflicted wound. You take on the slippers then when they're on the stairs, right?
Yeah.
But I did say to you guys to move it because somebody ever step on it. And no. Me tell them say it's not a safe place to be. Me say move it. Yeah, she go always a come preach. So why she never go preach when she get the jacket? Because at the end of the day, we already know say, hold on the chat. We already know say, sir, we already know say, I don't know why these girls, wanna know say, wanna not have to make people sit in the house. When you come here so wanna draw the curtain, them wanna have to know say the mesh part of the curtain of the jar.
Alright, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section because this a man here say Hakeem drunk and a talk and ray and me I hear somebody pan a screen recording I say Rosalie say Hakeem don't drink. You see me I say? And that means him never drunk. You know what I mean? They must say I pretend him did I pretend or whatever. But me no know. You know what I mean? So we could listen some more how this someone have to say, you know what I mean? And then we hear some more how the people them have to say. You see me? Because boy the people me never say like TikTok dunk pan one person so or two person. Me no feel like figure it out and get it like how Akima get it in our people. And me now go say whatever them a accuse him of, him no do it or him do it. You see me I say me no know. You see it, and them have a saying where them say if more than one person I say the same thing, that means say I saw it go. Which way me grow fi understand say yo no go so. You know what I mean? Cause more than one person can be friends, can be links, and them decide to just come up and come together and just start spread rumors by you. You know what I mean? And them say the truth, the truth, the yard I put on pants and the lies out the road are spread. You see me? So make you watch some more.
I'm tired of telling us that don't draw the mesh part of the curtain. I don't know why I don't want people to sit in here like that. So listen to me. We no make no sense that the woman they come preach, cause we already know say all when she preach tell thy kingdom come, she is still wicked. All when she preach and tell thy kingdom come, you are still wicked. Cause anybody will take up themselves and come give man jacket. No more water can wash off nothing. No amount of prayer we pray, no amount of Bible. Self-inflicted wound. We not gonna be sitting over here. And it's like people want to take blame for them own. Who over here so could have make Rosealee cuss Dyema? Who could have make Dyema cuss Rosealee? They want to cuss each other, and them themselves not like each other. The people them on the internet, you know, if you stop use people as excuse on the internet for people when you see them a cuss each other. And that I'm try to do like, oh, they don't really want to cuss each other, but it's us over here make them cuss each other, right? You don't always want to cuss each other, and if you tell people say I saw you do for get on a kind. These are the things we want to do for make you kind. It now go get up tomorrow morning and then you know go miraculously come and change on a way or on a get kind. If everybody watch the pattern of TikTok and Jamaica TikTok, they may know say this a go happen and then it happen till it goes so far some of the time to when people come so boom unstoppable big up until when time it comes so boom and some of the time it go too far. Listen, remember say him going like him at the savior, you know. So he may go come out now and come talk, say, oh, Fantastic Four and da. Come on, bro. Come on. We already know so them that gear up for your big match, for your clean card. And there had to be a distraction. Because here with Uno with phone peanut brain. Uno with phone peanut brain feels say Uno can over here do the whole of the scamming same way so. And then when Uno do it, Uno have to create this big old drama so the whole scamming thing can go on. But there was many more scammers before you guys who America come creep up one plane run Uno and put Uno on if you go. So we not too worried, but the problem is Uno need to stop come so and go on like Uno want these people over here. But when Uno do Uno fucker, we talk about it, Uno say we did want to do it to Uno. Listen. For all Uno live and the amount of numbers and money where people say Uno make or whatever, in numbers them just don't add up to we. Cause Uno make so much money like what people say, but Uno still a rent. On the numbers don't add up. On the numbers do not add up. Because if you come to as a big creator and you claim say you take down the whole of them kind of way you take down, or 10, 15 house, only that have already. Because clearly there's no way none of us is even dreaming of making all our Ash ranking. Ash #1 ranking every week. And you can't buy a TV. You can't buy a washing machine. You still put up wish list. And we see say on still come like on still alive. You know? Oh yeah, thank God my merch can pay my rent and all them situation. But look when I drop down millions of kind for more than 6 months now. So if every day, think about it, if every month I take down 5,000 US or 6,000 US or even more than that, because we know not take down that, because people say make somehow make all 7,000. Like, the person who rank #1 in Britain make 7,000 pound a day. The person will rank #1. Me talk real rank #1. Me talk real gift. Me not talk no foolishness. Real gift. So real gift, the person will rank #1 in a Britain all the while. Real gift, 7,000 pound a day. A day.
Alright, my people. A reality the man talk still, because at the end of the day, me and you can't be friends. And somebody else make me and you start cuss. No, I must we want cuss each other and we start cuss. The only thing the person can do, I tell me say, yo, such and such and such and such. And then me as a friend now, I go come to you and say, yo, such and such and such. And you go explain to me. You see me, I say, you can't blame the people them on TikTok, say boy, the people them. No, I don't want to cuss each other. And then again, my people, we have to look on this too. Because, as me always say, and at them come speak it, you know, say, them come sell with story enough at the time them. Which way they make up something and come just sell with, because them just want to entertain the fans them and keep the crowd around. You see me, I say, so this Dyema and Rosealee situation, it can be just that. You know what I mean? Make me know what to think, make me watch some more.
So now have to check say if the person come on every day how much money and if them are rank all the while like that. And probably none of them get #1 all the time. But anyway, you see what me I will get at. So even if you make 500 US a day, say I wanna come on the line, say you make 500 US a day, I wanna depend on 7 days, I wanna make 3,500 US a week. And then 4 weeks in a 1 month. So when actually comes to boom, 3, 4 is 12. We now make 14,000 US a month. So if we now make at least, me just put it at the least, you know. So if we now make at least 14,000 US a month, then, and I want to now clean the card and a phone of money, yeah, that is over 2 million US a month. Yeah? So if you're gonna get, I'm gonna put it down to the least now at 2 million. So even if you come so boom and you make 2 million and you spend $1 million in a month, you still can save $1 million. So you would end up with 12 million in a just 1 year. 12 million. And from how you see it going if you put up. Somebody going like you're not one of them with a tear down Jamaica because you is. Tell the people them why them call you handsome gunman and bossy. That's if you tell the people them. Nobody going like I make you make up no name. Tell the people them. Tell the people them how much youth in a jail because of you right now. Because you not talk that. Because it's true them think they sweep underneath the carpet. Tell the people them why the police them did investigate you for so long last year because the youth them were in a prison for the murder them. Different murder half of Naya. And that you have to tell the people them. I just told me no want to come on TikTok come talk certain things. I tell you no. Tell me I tell you no. Because we know them boy they are oh. That's why we can't rate you know. And you see man them we associate themselves with you like them Switzerland and them Real Dog and them Jabbas we play a match with you. True lickiness. Boy yes so we there. And we are going easy. So you can continue going so we bad mind. Because you don't know God, bro. And you know what bond me the most as a man of God is to see how you want to go and like you want to use God as a disguise And that's why I'm telling you this now. We are going to watch the whole of crumble right in front of our face. Because every day when you come out here, when people not agree with you, pray for people to crumble. And that's why. The dime up on the internet a ball, should just tell the woman when the real share say why the woman never dead. But when pretend like on in a year when some of them talk over here. Should just Dyema just tell a woman when the wheelchair badness. Why you never dead? You know say you cripple up. A whole heap of them extortion and them thing and them boy and them crew them a run. But that's why me not get involved in them thing there. Cause them boy still have a whole heap of link to police and a whole heap of them type of thing when them a pay off. So then can do them fuckery. Cause remember police a sell them gun. You have to know these. And soldier. And boy I got 80 for boat go buy a gun. Come over here, come pray and talk about because of the kind. A kind, a whole criminal empire on TikTok, bro. Una criminal for. And that's why when anything go on, and cause I remember I know people, I'm telling you something about emotion. Just when emotion are run red, people say things and then after them have to just jump in back and say, shit, why did I say that? Because that them sit down and say, you know. But no matter what you want to do, it will boil down to say, don't be surprised if them start want pay people for hurt them one another because that's how them is. They make them pretend no united front. Rosealee the first somebody where you see call Sheridan. She call a meeting with Sheridan and Shakita. The girl them, the minions them. Soon as Dyema go up on TikTok and you want to hear the minions them over there, them are this Dyema wicked. So for him come out last night and I talk about Fantastic Four, just to show you something. I suck him, I suck the whole of them fans here. Because Dyema fans them are going to say, shit, Akeem are the good one tonight. Figure it out, fans them are going to say, Akeem are the good one tonight. Rosealee fans them are going to say, oh, Akeem, I'm alone. And I'm alone, I'm going to end up with the whole of the whole of the followers them. And the whole of everything. Honestly, I'm alone have merch. And I talk about it this morning. Oh, I'm glad I have my merch. I tell you no. But I did I tell you the same having merch. I tell you no what I go on, but no one listen. No one listen. I'm alone, I go end up a suck him, I suck them. And then can't give him no talk. Cause I'm a gang leader. It's simple. So me that want to know, Sir Andrew Holness, what go happen with these TikTokers? I saw you just come out and you tell me say you have cyber security at Jamaica, but you know look so. Because how you left these TikTokers to the pan here? I thief so much people money in the country. It's not a good look. You say you are going to step up on crime this year. So what have the cyber security team done so far with the cyber act and everything where you're passing at Jamaica? And them TikTokers are still there over here, so threaten people's life, scam card, thief everything from people, and still over here so I play a big in the country. And now pay no tax on top of that too. Because the money are coming through Western Union. So I want to ask Mr. Sir Andrew Holness, what you going to do about these TikTokers? Because clearly them are going like a them run Jamaica, sir. Me did think of one bro God, one Andrew Holness badness, but seem like say a Rosealee and Akeem run the country, sir.
My people, let me tell you something, man. You see, if you assemble a team together, see, and you put them out there, I see a peer star them, you know. everybody where you pick for in the team a star. You see me? And you send them out there now. Eventually the team are gonna mash up, you know. But you see the person will make sure say he is seen at all times and him different from the rest and him more assertive. Remember me tell you, so when the team mash up, him alone I go get to steer which part him did there. You know what I mean? Because he market himself differently from the team. All when him in the team, he make sure say them see him as an individual. Him stand out. You see me I say him not just in the background and follow moves. He make sure say him know all of the move them and he make sure perfect the move them. So that means people here depend him, because you can't if you watch a dance, whatever competition or something, you can't watch everybody one time, you know. Your eyes are going to focus on one of the person them at all times, and that's the person where do the moves them better. So that me actually show you whatever this man there say about Hakeem, because him push himself out there and him try to be different from the rest.
So Sir Andrew Holness, is it you that run Jamaica or Rosalie and Hakeem run Jamaica? What you gonna do about these TikTokers? When you make cyber team for and I tell them say you know what them do on the internet, but still I make them run with impunity. Then no one asks MI5, CIA, MI6, Metropolitan. Only you see your prayer talk about these people every day. What are you going to do about it? These people are laugh right in a hard-working people's face every day. Hard-working people are gift them and them still are robbed from other hard-working people. TikTok money I use to commit other crimes. So people are actually work hard, say them not believe in a crime and violence, give people are work hard, say them not believe in a crime and violence. Them are do it because them are elevate who them claim them are elevate.
It looks like it will start again. It looks like it will start again. No.
Can't take the violence. Nick, can't take violence.
Keith Shibata Ramsey, are you back inside? Keith. 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 Hello? Keith. 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 Oh.
Hold on, I can't. Share, I can't hear you.
The people them say you're not a fighter, you can't fight, and I'm gonna slap you. The comment section says
When you come stop me, I can't hear you.
when you come eat me. When you come eat me.
When you put TV in the kitchen, I know your house not big.
Keith.
You know your house not big. She made you a pretty blind off on the side.
Keith. Keith.
Stop it.
Keith.
Because I can't we are showing out here how we are
Keith.
I must destiny.
Keith Shibata Ramsey.
What you say? What she say?
Keith.
What you say?
I'm glad to see you can't hear me.
I can't hear me. Really like then you know you say Hakeem beat Rosalie.
Them in the ear say.
You know you say Hakeem beat Rosalie.
Keith. And what else? Who tell it on? Who get in this story?
And last night, or which night, but him lean up Rosalie because him say Rosalie make everybody I bring him down. So him lean up Rosalie. Me hear say him go over there with GUN. And intimidate her. And me hear say if you can ask Macy if she get $500 not to talk anything bad about him or show anything bad.
No.
If you can ask Macy that for me, please.
Why you don't ask the man? Is your friend?
Say?
Why you don't ask him?
Stop moving your head when you talk. Me can't read your lips.
Why you don't ask him?
When me not ask him?
Yes.
Why me not ask him, she? Remember say you're internet post mistress and you walk and deliver mails.
Me dear.
And you walk and issue information.
Why you don't ask him?
Me can't understand how she move around. She, you hear me?
The Wi-Fi. Give me a minute. The Wi-Fi.
You hear me, she?
No, me not hearing you. The Wi-Fi. Hello?
But she has to be. She, you hearing me? So cold. You hearing me?
Somebody's calling my phone. Give me a minute.
I wonder if she tell me about my mama. I wonder if she tell me about my mama, me not hear what she has to say.
The Wi-Fi is giving problem. The Wi-Fi problem.
Problem?
Wi-Fi. Woo.
Oh, your Wi-Fi got problem.
Yes.
Oh, your Wi-Fi, maybe not hear you.
Right.
Oh, you look like Star Bridget.
Yeah. Yes.
Then
It's
with
my
Wi-Fi are foreign people.
Yes. It's my neighbor Wi-Fi.
You know, say sometimes I don't know why Queen is circle with our people.
And sometimes I understand why you not have no man. You didn't want to settle with me?
Me can't hear what you say.
You.
Say me eat your bull ring in your nose. Me eat your bull ring. Me not lie. And the filter make your bull ring look so clean. Where?
Moo.
Hello?
Tell him come stop me.
Hello? Eh? No, it's not the my Bluetooth. I use it just plain. It's not my Bluetooth. It's not the my Bluetooth.
Nobody now calling.
I don't know, I can't hear right.
Make me black no.
From my side?
Walla black ya. Me and me see a friend. Fuck your mother no come to my life, come to me not Bob. Old country.
Share me care, you don't know what you say. Me go in on my topic. I love you. Bye bye. Me go in on my topic now, my baby.
Alright, bye bye.
Yeah, me keep topic now, my baby.
Alright, bye bye.
Yeah, me keep man. Me can't hear shit. I want to hear the bitch, you know. Come here, some things I want to tell her from last week. I want to hear her. I wonder if tonight me go hear her. I want to think tonight me go hear her. Yeah. Yes, no, my love. So come here now, people. Me hear at this, me I hear word on the curb. No, Akeem is out for vengeance. Akeem has suck out Rosalee blood. Akeem has suck out her blood. People, if anybody, then minute you say lock the Rosalee door, see you. Rosalee don't move. Rosalee don't move, people. Me hear say lock the Rosalee door, see you. Not even Laverne can go in there. Then Rosalee move. Wanna make this make sense, seminar? Wanna make this make a whole heap of sense, because I want to finish my part. I mean, not come for stay along with you today. Make this make a whole heap of sense. Rosalee don't move. Don't make Rosalee fool you.
Well, my people, I want to tell me what you think in the comment section, seeing because here Shibada say, him here say, lock the Rosalee room door. You see me I say, and pan a level, my people, if a person move, and like Rosalie, she did a wait for so long. I said, boy, she not move it. You know what I mean? She don't want to just move, so she want to wait until certain things, either she buy a house or whatever, and she move. You know what I mean? Rosalie have enough money where I do think Rosalie have enough money where she not have to think about going back where she was coming from. You know what I mean? So free up the space, left it up. You know what I mean? Anybody left the bed, everything in it, because you have a furnished house. We are lock up that the room the way you used to in for with the AC and everything. No. If you want to take the AC, you take the AC, carry guy in your new house. But free up the door, free up everything. You see what I say? Make even one of your sister, make your mother. You know what I mean? Even go take that the room there. Or whatever. Or take the things them from in another room. You don't need them there something there. You see me, I elevate, you know. So why you doing in the past and lock up room door, where you going to go back there? No, you know what I mean? And people more know how she bother get them information. Yeah. That more to know, you know, how these people get certain information about some of the TikTokers them way. You know what I mean? How them get the information them. That me want to know. So let me know how they think me could watch some more with people.
The nurse ordered a call me, she come eat me. Look from when me not see she. Airbnb, it's true. So all them out there, you see what Rosalie do, mother great old, Rosalie make Akeem drive into. I'm gonna tell you the truth, and I've always been saying this, and I'm gonna continue to say it. You see, no for uno so cocky people on the app, wanna make all of these people come use fandangles and bribe uno. No, we never know say Akeem never own a bedroom set until he meet Rosalie, but him come and trick us. Him come and trick us. So Akeem did really make Rosalie have to put him back on farm. You ring out the girl. But Rosalie deserve it doing on bad to bad. Bad to bad. She did, I want to restrict my life. Akeem and the people that never suck their mother. I want to restrict my life. Eh? Yeah. No, for true people. This is it. This is it. That's all. That is all. Me hear same go down a Rosalie with go the girl lean her up in a corner and box up her nastiness. So you know Rosalie now have no money for get. Because it look like Akeem bad up for your card and him use up all of the money. Same carry Rosalie gone out there so yeah. So all of them see him on live. But nothing go so. The half has never yet been told, people. The half has never yet been told. Nothing go so. Jake supposed to cock up him foot and a laugh. And this you left your baby father for. Don't provoke me. And this you left your baby father for. Word on the curb say Akeem pay Macy $500. So all of a sudden, Macy and Akeem is not a batty man to Macy, not at all to Macy. He's just a genuine brother. Wanna see it? Huh? Oh. You can't see through that. You can't see through how Akeem backs up Rosalie. Oh. Then don't look at it. Don't look at it. If you don't notice, remember her up her rear when she get pushed up. Yeah, girl, go up there, so. And she's a big heavyweight. She's a big heavyweight. So you don't see it. You don't see it. You just ask if you don't see it. Let me tell you what the problem. And this is how you get. This is what you get, Rosalie. When you play both sides, you use Akeem for intimidate Jakes. Don't. You use Akeem for intimidate Jakes, so you can't, and you use money for intimidate Akeem. And you that. So it will happen. You see Akeem tell you one bag of fandangle story, and you have Akeem like this killer, and you have Akeem like this bad boy, and you have Akeem like this. So you see the same way you have Akeem, the wilderness. Akim carry God to the wilderness and turn it in a cash cow. You supposed to mind him. You supposed to work and give him what he wants. But me tell you that Akim buy every luxury out of you when could buy out of snow and when could buy out of was. He buy everything out of you. Yeah, as some know says no have a head pan her body because he could have never run them serious joke here with her because in a fair relationship a comedy in a your own and dopey show. Me nah ask you what you say. And this gonna forget on the internet. I mean here say triple vex with Rosealee, with triple accost. Enough people is not in agreement with Akim and Rosealee and how Akim a treat Rosealee. Me here say triple not in agreement with it. I don't say happiness in the child face. I say sadness and worry. Me tell you that Akim is a wicked dirty boy. Yeah, Akim is a wicked dirty boy. You can't play upon the girl pockets. So what you should have do it. I mean it alright, you know, but she deserve it. I don't know your man, leave me alone. Yeah. And that she want, and that she get. And no fun to sit down and I encourage all of this. All of this when I encourage. Akim from Nyamar no poor thing na there so. Terry no come over here so come talk about poor thing for Rosealee. No poor thing na there so the bitch she get it. But Akim is a wicked, dirty drunk crow. And every day him come with him craving a box looking head. On the app boat. I'm just not know people say because some people and then have the rest of veneers them right here so. Oh, film veneers stuff a K9. Oh, you being sarcastic. Oh, girl, you need to get me out of where I'm going. No, for sure.
Alright, my people. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Make me watch some more.
For real. Film veneer stuff a K9. I don't blame Jayden for gas station to report Akim when Akim did send Pretti fine. I don't blame Jayden. I say Akim make Rosealee. If you don't look on Rosealee liberty, it's a Batman liberty. And I will forever talk this. Say them I live. Me say I want him to say I'm not even about to say nothing. I'm not even about to say nothing. Hey. Yeah. Yeah. Of course he mouth shape like him at. Me not know bona fide panic but the boy favor him sick my stomach. Me not tell no lie. Akim sick my stomach. Akim sick my stomach. Yeah. Rosealee can't even empty garbage. You not hear? She not to leave the house. Rosealee not to leave the house at all. I don't see them there. Rosealee live a piece of Batman lifestyle. Yeah, she live a piece of Batman. You hear that? Rain, it's true. The child live a piece of Batman lifestyle. All of us see them there. A Batty boy lifestyle is, but I don't know what she not used to, I don't know what she not sign up for. GX Muscle Laugh. GX Muscle Laugh. For true, I will heap of something else they for talk about, you know. I will heap of something they for talk about. I will heap more than they for talk about. Oh, me say me not tell a lie. Akim could have been a nice little youth on the app go and bounce it to Rosealee and just, but him hype over everything cause him knew. Purpose thank you my baby. You see because him knew and him hype, everybody's story must come down upon him. It's not the first it to reach him. It's not the first. It's not the first it to reach him. So come here now. Then me not eat caca fat. I don't want to have that one here yet. You don't know why Rosealee says she will carry the information from the app about him and man. Because them in a position, I mean, I'm going to say something. You remember Dyema come here and say she can figure it out, don't grind. Never grind it and sleep in a one bed. I'm going to say this. You see, Akim and figure it out. I'm going to tell you something about Uno. You see, anytime Rosealee and Dyema come from the app and talk, say, Uno take man, me I go believe them. Which we don't know that already, but for for everybody else who out there when I know, me I go believe them. And you know why? Me I go believe them. You see, Una some two little so cocky boy we can't keep on the secrets to yourself. Why wanna go pick up Rosealee and Dyema and you know Rosealee a chat to Akeem, so she see you and man and she have information and you say I won't for something. Akeem better try to make Rosealee come back and save you, because when she come and save you a little lip I go have period, it a go boss. It a go boss. The reason why I figure it out no one Dyema for talk because them no good not tell them out blank, but them share secret with them. Make me tell you no people. Them not just par so. It's easy for girls par with batty boy and batty boy behave like say and them woman because the woman can play the game because it's not serious. Me say that's why I figure it out don't want Dyema for talk and figure it out don't want Rosealee for talk. Me nah ask because they say no for keep on secrets to yourself. Una take up two careless girl and a par with them and also no close to batty easy. Me nah ask me say some Tory I go boss Akeem a beat Rosealee. Akeem a beat Rosealee for every mistake. You know to say Rosealee can't go on bad pan the up and go on away because as she start talking about the cap and Akeem and batty easy. And everybody plan for come out pan Akeem. Everybody in the industry and the batty man we know plan to come out pan Akeem. Yeah. Everybody, every single soul. Yes. He might go get it, but not from me. Cause you know, me don't care about everybody I plan. Everybody. I mean here say Macy get $500 US. I'm saying Macy $500 if you don't play, don't say no, don't do nothing at all with him. And some here so when you go over mother, when you ask her about it, which she not gonna talk because all of a sudden our story then change up. All of a sudden our story then change up. Yeah. Me nah ask you. All of a sudden our story them change up, my love. So if you take the $500, maybe me that take 1,000. I mean, go class me, you see, you know. But me I look into it. Me I look into it deep, you see. And when me say me say take 5 bills, it rip me, you see. I mean, go class I ring and a small voice I look into it and say how much you that take. You that take 1,000. There and then I could have bought a class for sure. I mean, that take 1,000. And then see. Yeah. You would have take 15 though. For sure. 500. Because it don't come and say mother attack, mother not attack and mother me know mother know enough things. You understand what I say? So me I say when me hear about the 5 bills. yo, come here. I didn't bother to worry to say anything, you know. I just said, that's you know what? Me that take 1,000 if by later come, it could have go up depending on how I feel, like ice cream hour. So 5 bills that go up on it, so I reach 15. I do and them come until Monday. Me need a fear 2 grand for go work in the morning. Yeah. 5 grand the least I take though. Shut. Yeah, that's what me hear, my love. I whole heap of something that they attack. But you know what is the problem? The ear say Rosealee gift a munchie. Tap gift a munchie. All of fight against Rosealee. So me here, I don't know how to take it because the argument them just too much. The argument them just too much in my hole. Me can't bother with it. The argument them just too much. But we not talk about how Rosealee gonna fire, gonna get licked from and something. Then Rosealee can't lick him. Rosealee must can't fight the boy face to face. Then and some gunman could have really come in and bad me up unless I allow him to become just like how it sound. But when it comes on a real note, then Rosalee in a double up her fist and you and him going to the center of the place and move the amok. Move the amok. Yeah man, I'm going to the center of the place. And fist it out. We can't fist it out because we never still communicate and stab up this. Jump round man and make him know. Yeah, we say you come for beat man. Yeah, you hold your stands, Rosalee. And we don't look me this up.
Alright my people, tell me what you think in the comment section and make you watch some more.
Hit me ear, hit me ear, hit me ear. Rosalee swim, me never teach her for thump. No, she swim, me never teach her sling people something. Stop it. Eh? Then she think me never teach her sling, thump of a sling people, collect where you can't collect on your phone. And call it a day. Yeah, him should have box up your back, Rosalee. Should make the boy put him hand in your face. Box up your back them. Them disobedient. Yeah. Then she thinks that they're gonna teach her for top. I couldn't do that, Rosalee. I couldn't do that. And you have so much travelers. Look how much travelers you have and you forgot home. Then that now come around for now. One year, girl. No man, let me tell you something. I keep me box out for true because enough girls stay so. Enough girl man favor peep squeak and them man a beat them, gonna beat them, come on when you see them size. May I tell you the truth? And besides Rosalee, have to take what she get from now because she in the wilderness. Akeem took Rosalee from out where she know and Kara going to the unknown so him can control her. Then all comes Akeem get Rosalee Cked. The part of go burn up today because that make you nice. Me turn off the stove. Yeah, Akeem come by for have Rosalee Cked. Fear spin off Rosalee money. You see all life funny? Rosalee people them need the money. I will say thank you very much, Lord Jesus. Thank everybody, thank you very much. From the me chatting and see something in a thank you, tired hands. Yeah, you know Akeem take Rosalee because Akeem could have swear me said this already. I could have swear me said this already. When me tell you say people, you have to be careful. Akeem realized that Rosalee have nothing to do with her money and a teach her how to spend it. She not have nothing to do with her money and a teach her how to spend. Because I swear, them target the people them on the app and use them. But nevertheless, Akeem, I'm kind of happy for what you do. But it's just that I don't like what you do. To who you do to after coming out and tell you like, you know what you say, when it's still. But we should have known say Akeem rob Rosalee. From Akeem woman come on the app, we should have known say Rosalee get robbed. It's a family plan. You should have taken it to Rosalee and the breed. It's a family plan.
Fridge there. You don't see that double size fridge there. Eh? What the fuck you mean Rose feel like that? Rose knows me bigger than I will know. But if you Dyema, it come like your mama and glasses in her darling. Dyema, one night time, you was in the kitchen. And Rosalee, them in front of you. I could have never seen that kitchen until Rosalee moved. Would have never know set you in the kitchen. Until Rosalee moved. So what do you mean if Rosalee not think such a big than you? Rosalee knows such a big than you. So what the fuck you? Dyema, I say if you are companions, darling, you need to compare so straight, you know, darling. You see, more to talk. I'm more to talk with sense, darling. You know, see that big fat thinking, not this double size fridge. Look like blood 3 matches for one bed. Rise them! Rise them! Rise! Me I get warning for whatever me don't know what them want me, but some want to rise them. Let me do a next scroll. You feel blood clot get if it true. You just know that. You feel blood if it true. You are going like you this blood manager for Rosealee. Every time Rosealee reaching a problem, every time Rosealee reaching a blood problem, you run gun like say a blood savior. Are you God? You feel clot get it. You know get it good yet. Me don't know how you feel like say you one can hold Rosealee 310 back them. You're gonna need help with that. Why do you feel like say you alone can hold Rosealee back? Why? Hold on. Me don't understand you. Diver. Me really don't understand you, darling. Why you feel like say you can hold Rosealee 10 back them? Why you feel like that? You're gonna need half of Jamaica to do that. You're gonna need help. You alone can hold Rosealee back. So why you gonna go like say you are this friend we can hold? Hey, Dyema, you forget it. Come. Shelter they look because rain did a fall. I mean understand why you look shelter. But Dyema, you cannot look shelter in a fridge. I've never seen nobody sleep in a fridge. I've never seen nobody sleep in a fridge. Fridge too cold, darling. Oh, that's right. Okay. Fridge too cold. Okay. That's why from where do you start? Alright. Load that up in there. See, I don't know you're wicked enough, so when I rub your shoulder, you tell me some teleporters say you're wicked, so I know what you do. You need to stop. You need to stop. Rosealee, when you have a thing that tapping nice. I was with a woman name. What's your name? Sunshine. Sunshine. I want to hear what Sunshine has to say. What's your name? Sunshine. Wait.
We are come, brother. Let's see. Coming up because we get everything. No plan coming out. No baby do us. I'm going to 24 fucking coffee things for you. When you tell Sophia your mother right now, I mean by the two phone them. I run by the two phone them and the over photos like that. I didn't play no hypocrite with nobody. Me coming out used to play hypocrite, brother. You have a vice note. We tell again. You have a vice note, you know. Everything. But me just don't want to be the one for the nothing. I could have been sent Dyema all of them somebody already until she get them on her own. But me just never want my name call and say I miss send nobody nothing. Try for my shop nobody friendship. So me just make everybody just do them thing. Me don't want to it.
Chat. Rosa Dyema acted.
We tell me y'all things you call them a plan. You want to play advice for them.
Dyema, listen to me, Dyema. Me not like mix up. I'm not a man for mix up, darling. But I would kindly want you to play that voice note. Me not mix up, you know. Me just want hear the voice note. That's all. Me not mix up, darling. Me just want hear the everybody curious. I don't me alone curious. Please. I'm not a mix up person, darling. But me would want hear the voice note. And if people them would want hear the voice note. You see it. So guys, I'm alone out here.
You have shown me that you are evil and you are wicked and you cannot be trusted. All people see man chat a person when my back was against you, they had it.
Them have it. You really don't understand. You really don't understand. Everything. Rosealee, you make me want to hate Gemini to be. You make me no want no friend for no Gemini people to be that. Rose, you make me no want a friend for no Gemini people, Clark. I tell you that fat pig. You make me no want a friend for none of them. Every fucking thing, Gemini. A Gemini make no blood. A Gemini make Jake's officer of blood beard. everything I fuck me now, Gemini. It's a wicked bitch. And Rosalie, you know, you feel like so me not hear your plan, where you plan up, you know. You know, when you feel like so me not hear it.
Alright, my people, make we watch some more of this and then move on to the next.
Me have your plan, darling. Me have your plan. We have your plan. Me have it on the plan.
And I tell me, say, you can tell me who say it, I can prove it. But I'm saying, say,
A message reach out to me, I just want to know if it's true.
a truth. I'm telling you, Jayden, watch your head back, youth. Watch your head back. You talk to me these already? Watch your head back, Jayden. Me, I warn you, please.
Well, I have to really laugh.
You are a hypocrite. That is the literal definition of hypocrisy. Is everything that you just did by that one statement you made yesterday. I am disappointed in you, figure it out. You're a young man when me think say is so that again, me follow you, me subscribe to you.
Yeah,
and you really come on, man. Me unsubscribe already. Me unsubscribe already. Me unsubscribe yesterday.
Me too.
Me not take me unsubscribe yesterday. You mad? Yeah, man for turn up strong and turn up on your 2 foot. All you didn't do was take the phone and hang up. Take the phone and hang it up. Nothing, you never said nothing. And that's where you go wrong. That's where you went wrong.
You're not weak, he can't side against him because I keep going, he needs somebody to help him pay them bills. That's what it is.
I'm not even sure about no funeral, you know. I'm not even sure about no funeral.
What?
Honestly, that I further notice.
Yeah, further notice on all the future planning because we were going yesterday.
Yeah, further notice on everything. Yeah, hold back pan a lot.
Everything.
No, I mean
Everything.
Just as sure as they go to London, we having a funeral. A lie. And they going. A lie. A lie.
To me, they're obsessed that Rosa and Akim fall in love and
that's what I have a meeting too.
Yes,
good.
Yeah. You know, see that me feel really good. Me, I gotta be honest with you. Yeah, you give it to me. I think when the series start, you see, remember, you know, I'll go back to the interview. When I take it back to when them they do the interview and everybody do them individual interview. And when them ask all Akim about whatever, Akim say, well, we just go and see what happened. And what Dyema say? Remember one of the times she said, well, Akim ever tell us say them in a relationship? It's like the way she did it. And from them 10 minutes, but Akim said, them not really in a relationship, but make we see. Yeah, and then she talk about she and James now live a baby father and baby mother.
Carlene, you want to come up, auntie?
I know say something right.
Warren. Carlene, want to come up? Oh, because I know them not send requests, you know.
You got to think about how. You got to think about how Figure It Out and Dyema started. Figure It Out. He sought out Dyema to start the series with. And let's just be clear, Figure It Out is the one named it a series. He is the one to start calling it a series. Not Rose and Akeem. He is the one started calling that when he came along. Rose and Akeem thing was natural.
Listen, I've been said from the jump, like anybody in my real life, I said, let me tell y'all something. If this is gonna work before then, it's more likely than not for Rose and Akeem to work, just for the mere fact of age difference, etc., etc. People are acting, I'm not talking about old, me and Dyema are same age, I'm about 1 year younger than Dyema. So I not call her old, I call myself old. But let's be real. Right, yeah, look good. What do you?
Exactly.
But let's be real here. 44-year-old with a 24-year-old. That's a 20 years gap. Okay? Realistically, I looked at that and I said, if anything, then probably end up with a fling because you know they're both attractive and whatever. So they might end up with a fling, but for this to turn out into a real relationship, it is very slim. 20 years difference when the woman is the older, not the man.
Right.
Come on, man. Statistically, this is not gonna work, and people need to stop going like, "We not live in a fairy tale land." We not talk about Akeem no one Rose because of weight. It is way more. When big woman like Rose there with anybody are married, look who them there with. It's always some little tiny man, some maga man, some small man. Love them big woman there. Go back in Akeem history, back when Akeem did that and pop the balloon. If anyone I know ever see that episode there when Akeem was on pop the balloon, there was a big girl, not quite as big as Rose, but she was pretty big. She was a plus size, and that is who Akeem wanted. That is who he was going after. He has him like it. And that it was more likely that, what is it, a 5-year difference between Rose and Akeem versus a 20 years? Come on, man. Come on.
And Wama Warren.
You know, when I started to look on Dyema different,
yes,
2 things happened earlier on in this so-called series. One, you remember when they were at Mecca, when they were at the club, and she was upset because the spotlight was on Rose and Akeem, and according to her, she was upset with Triple X because it should have been her night. I looked at her differently from that time. And then one time when Akeem and Rose, they pull apart for a little while, and she was on her live and she opened her box and she had, I think is one of her moderator, the same lady who's always in her box talking to her every time she opens her box.
Yes.
And she was laughing and she said,
The people, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I run through the rest of this, you know what I mean? I not talk much, so I could get back in it with people.
Series done, me face. Me not talk my series. And like the lady would have said to her, like, she think it's gonna go back, or she hope it goes back, and she said, you know here, Akeem say I'm done with it. From those 2 things, I started looking at her sideways like, you're not genuine. You are not genuine. So from those two things happened, I started questioning her loyalty towards Rose. And then when she started to talk about Rose and Jake, so go get back together and all
that. That is it. That right there was it.
That I kind of questioned it, but then I still give her props for showing up for Rose when Rose needed a friend, when the kids were taken away and whatever. So, you know, it's because of that, so sometimes you say, okay, let me use the good and override the bad. But what she did yesterday is unforgivable. It is not okay. She is wrong in every sense of the word. And figure it out. What kind of man you be? Where is your backbone? Where is your backbone? Separate and apart from that, it should never have reached to the point where Dyema had to click her live.
Still in the chat looking at your mads.
Dyema should not have to click her live a second time. From the first time Dyema click her live and say, me believe you end the girl fucking live. And you tell her, say, yo, even if you are upset, don't do this here. You know the girl number, don't do this here. And on top of that, you need to be a man and stand up and say, Dyema, you're not only hurting Rose, you're hurting us collectively as the Fantastic Four. Dyema feel like she too mighty. You know,
what he did was he showed up over there and said to her, I just came to make you know that I didn't talk about you. The point is the woman say, you tell Rose say. So the same way them come say, so and so say Rose say. So if you don't believe, say figure it out and Rose a chat you. How you believe say Rose a chat you? How does that make sense when you come out of the CMO?
But Diana is lied to, because on when Rose was on her live, she said, Dyema, you are wicked because you tell me say, figure it out, tell you say, me are wicked. If you watch the live when Dyema was on her live, that was not how Dyema relayed the message to figure it out. She said, figure it out. Rose say, you tell her say, me are wicked. And if you go back and you watch the screen record, that was never what Rose said. Rose said, Dyema, you are wicked because you even tell me say, figure it out, tell you say you are wicked. And I see what Dyema do. It never
That is
worked,
true.
girl. It
That
blew
is
up in your
true.
face. And I'm sure you did not know that the repercussions were going to be distant. Me never subscribe to Dyema. Me did subscribe to Figure It Out and me unsubscribe. And from the jump, the only reason why I really take
and yeah, people support them,
and the only, you know, honestly, I've never given Dyema or Figure It Out a dime. And the only reason I kind of support them or watch them or fall in love with them was the association to Rose and Akeem. That's all it was. I fell in love with them by virtue of association because them boring.
Facts. I am exactly like
true,
that.
them boring.
I'm subscribed to them.
Was funny. You know what hurt me? You know what hurt me? Diamond was intentional about trying to bring down Rose. Diamond knew what she was doing. Because the fact is, you are on the internet every day and your sister them beat the girl day in, day out, and we sit here and you witness all of this and you say, there's never been anybody that people try to bring down like how they try to bring down Rose for a whole fucking year. You know the pressure where the girl, the pressure that she's coming under, and you are coming and trying to add to that, bitch. Me love when me love. You know what I love? This is my favorite. Quote. I love when the Lord shame the devil. I love when the Lord shame the devil because she feel like it did go work out and people did
and people are gonna come sympathy and sorry for because she come out and cry, yeah, evil girl. They come out and cry, yeah, evil. And no me know say people will cry, yeah, evil. Yeah, evil.
That will
because
never.
Because everybody strong and know what you're doing. And I say, alright, well, we just love it because we don't want this for happen. And you really come out with it, yeah, evil and come out a ball.
That will never happen.
With a plank.
What she want will never happen. And you know what? I want to tell you something. I love Rose. I love Rose. And you see, because of what Akeem and Figure Out did yesterday, guess what? Me love Rose even more.
I love how she angle herself,
guess what?
Bro. They kill them dead, she gonna come and crash out.
Guess what?
Them get back, them eat them.
Another thing.
Left from Rose life for go over for them like, nah,
After them carry on, after the way they carry on yesterday, I promised myself that I am going to be in Rosealee every fucking week.
Listen, we did done say this.
And this is a cause peer problem. Anti-mine, it a cause peer problem because them still don't listen.
Them feel listen.
It's a cause peer problem because you're not for carrying on news to Rose for no zeal.
Me say one is Rose.
Rose not for telling no
Can I say something? I gotta say something.
She motivate young people. Me da put Maya in one principal position on the app. That a Maya. When you look across the screen, you go see Vani, one look at dirty Jezzy blood clot bell. One nice girl, you know, but she's just a Jezebel. When you look across the screen, you go see Rosealee, which is just mix up, ever cuss, just miserable. So, you can't look on it, say you go have Dyema, or you go have Rosealee, or you go think the two of them supposed to be the same thing. Unless them a copy each other. So I personally believe if you have a friend and your friend is very mixed up. You see, once my friend draw me and I mix up, alright. And everybody can take pressure. Me a girl, me can take pressure. And everybody can take pressure. Because if me did have a friend like Rosealee now, and Rosealee just ever cuss, and Rosealee ever come on the internet and cuss, that not gonna affect me in no form of way now. That not gonna affect me no from away because you not cuss me, you not disrespect me, you not throw me under the bus in no form of way, you not shades me, no way you do not hurt me, you're just a friend to me. So you can't drain my energy. If the people them know have me on screen recording because of Rosealee, that still cannot drain my energy because Dyema in the media too long for know how people stay. You're in the media too long for know say people love to put people and people for fight. Because how can a man come say, Dyema, Rosealee, I go bring you down, watch, and you're not a good friend to Rosealee. How can a person come and say, Dyema, you bad man, Rosealee, and you're going to take that to heart? Remember, Rosealee never see a bad man or none type on the internet, you know. I've seen a lot of time Rosealee come live and say, which part Dyema bad man me? Dyema have her own thing, me have my own thing. So why I couldn't look into it and say I just people. The internet boring. Me not gonna tell no lie. When the series get boring, the people them want to say something new, so then try for all or not. I wanna so fuck. Me think on this strong on this, honestly. I'm not strong. Me did think on strong on this, but I play thing on the palm. There's no way the internet can come tell me say my bad man, my friend, and me go make that drain my energy. When my friend no show the internet, no farmer way say my bad man are. When me no show the internet, no farmer way say my bad man are. You supposed to pray to yourself, say I mash the internet while I mash no up.
Alright, my people, we are go watch some more and hear what Ivany officer. But let me say this, my people. Seeing them people up on TikTok, enough time them come sell the story. So it's hard to believe what is true from what is not true. You see me I say? So me not quick to believe where them come, no matter how them sound, no matter even if them ball. You see me I say? Me not quick to believe enough at the time. You see me? So I want to give me an opinion in the comment section. Make we watch some more and you Ivany I say.
You supposed to see it, say boy, as mixed up as Rosealee be. The people that don't like Rosealee. So, you only look at people that Rosealee have right now is just Dyema and Akeem. Everybody, including myself, been a try mash up she and Akeem and it not work. It cannot work. Cause them have a ban when me and one cannot break unless them go in a feed them own a problem for break for them ban. So you should assist now say you and Rosealee have a ban and true people say they can't break she and Akeem them a try come for you and her because they know so when they come for one of have to go is it tea go spill. You think me not want to hear the tea too, but me not really want to say one friendship mash up because social media. At least give it a reason for mash up. You understand me I say? At least make a friendship mash up for a reason. Make a friendship mash up for a reason. Make you know say Rosealee do something for true, make it mash up. Make Rosealee know say you do something for true, make it mash up. No make it mash up because he said she's up on the internet now. The people are wicked for social media. Then go as far as say me fuck me dog. Me say if me say don't to her miss it and think me did fuck me dog for true I wonder when me have to sit down and hold me head so. And bro, a picture where they have where they come out can show one dog and one girl. The girl, I don't mean is not blood clot me. I know me. And the picture look like me. Holding the dog. And me say, hey, we are me frightened now. Me have to really job back and wonder if me really fuck one dog for true. To all people them slick over this blood clot. The people them all make fake birth certificate. So me don't know how Dyema she make the people them come tell her say, Rosealee, bro, you see when a person want you, when a person willing if convince you to build, they will go to they will go down all of the wobby work a shop. When a man want convince you to believe something, then tell a story so good that it manipulate you for your belief and you in yourself now realize that them a manipulate you. You in yourself not even realize that them a manipulate you, you know. I say Dyema, me I tell you how you feel, you don't know how to angle one situation like that. Me I tell you how you angle a situation like that. Never you throw your friend under a bus for your hater. Never you throw your friend under the bus for your hater. Me I go tell you why. Never make your haters them win over your friend. You see, just like how Rosealee did bust her mother head and when you go down a station for her, I use same one say me I go defend my friend in a public and on the internet, but off the media me I go tell her say she wrong. You should have defend your friend today, and when you come off of the internet you say Rosealee you should have never chat me with what did the name? Sunshine. Just like what day Rosealee bust up in mother head and when I wanna go down a station, you come out and say me I go defend my friend on the internet, but me I go tell her she wrong when I tell her she wrong, but me tell her when she reach home. Today you should have defend Rosealee and say none of wanna now break my friendship, and then when you not end live now you go tell Rosealee say Rosealee you don't see I want wicked pussy well you should have never chat me with Sunshine, and that you should have do. Because I should have run with Sunshine. You know why I should have run with Sunshine? Because when Sunshine and Rosealee chat you, you Dyema and Rosealee are friends same way. Sunshine knows say Rosealee chat you and she never yet take a time for come text you and say, boy, me no care if you care about my name to Rosealee. Rosealee chat you and me don't like that. Why Sunshine have to wait till she and Rosealee bust out for come tell you? It could have worse than that. You should have looked on the situation like this and say, boy. So if you are Rosealee, you should have think to yourself now and say, so if Rosealee never did come tell me, if you are Rosealee never vex, me wouldn't know say Rosealee chat me. You have to look at a situation like that, you know. Imagine if Sunshine and Rosealee never followed. Up till to the day, you still wouldn't know say Rosealee carry your name. Run with blood clot Sunshine. Run her, we tell her you don't want ear, because when they sit down and chat, me never know. Run with the blood clot girl. And then you go back to Rosealee and class her off of the internet and tell her, say, boy, Rosealee, you should have chat me. But it never too late, you can fix on the problems still, you know. Me just I say, and I know say Dyema, when she get out bad. I may tell you the truth. As much as I'm gonna talk to you, Rosealee never deserved the suck your mother and big pussy girl and you know what me never like to. You see the fact that Dyema was sitting down in her house listening to Rosealee and you hear for yourself say Rosealee never disrespect you. You should disrespect her that way. Cause I know Rosealee no this is still you know. As me say, I repeat, I don't want a friend none of them. But I want thing with me, not because me I as me say, me not dislike nobody pa ya. Me just not talk to people. Who I mean not talk, we just not talk. But that not mean to say when justice for split, justice not for split. It no matter. Rosealee never see a pussy big today. Rosealee never say go suck your mother Dyema.
Take away your own relevance, dirty Dyema. You never have no reason to go put yourself around big stinking Rosealee. Non-progressive, dirty thinking Rosealee. Frozen crutches Rosealee. Frothy crutches blood clot Rosealee. Rosealee pussy think like one whole shoes to blood clot. Frothy whole nasty blood clot. You never have no reason to go pair up with the Batman, the non-progressive element, fat sour girl, and the little Batman where you have a fuck you. None of them at all, you never have known. You never need it to do none of them at all. None. You know what I'm doing. You're too craven. You're too enough. You love run down blood clot hype. Who no love? Remember in a Hebrew, Mr. Shit in a bucket. We come tell me about you and the Guinness bucket. Remember, say the man tell you, say, when time the leg of the blood clot bird. When you want leg of the blood clot bird, in leg of the bird and until drunk come, hummingbird come, pigeon, in leg of every blood clot bird. Him say you run him down for the hype because you love the blood clot hype and you run because that's how you stay. You crave of a blood clot hype, Dyema. You could have never blood clot see hype and run out tonight because that's how a blood clot stay. And what day we see a hype up, what the people them send come go no TV, this TV that can your blood clot licky. Your pussy clot belly a go run bumbo hole. You see clot belly you go run bumbo hole. You see running belly when you go get not even 100 scan blood clot stop a pussy hole. Because when you look how you red, when you love see people with things and go feet as you stay Dyema. Dyema you have your own a little steam. You could have do every little thing for yourself, but what you do, you're too craven Dyema. You're one of the craven dirty blood clot individual them. Because you never have no reason to go sit down with blood clot Rosealee. You never have no reason to be friends with blood clot. Figure it out, none of them. Look how much money in a dance hall will rate you. And look what you go do. You drop your one and catch pussy hole. Nobody in a dance hall not go rate you as no mama in a dance hall. You go body up your thing, pop up your life, and pop up your whole blood clot circle. You think nobody want you and them blood clot fish around them? You think nobody look for you like Dyema, the real dirty wine, the real blood clot hot work? Nobody not look for you like that again. You have blood clot whole waist girl. Nobody not see you as not like that. You know, see be this you get. Remember so one time you did that be real Dyema. Nobody never did that this year Dyema. Nobody never did that bring down your whole face blood clot. Nobody never did that talk about the blood clot sandbag them when you have under your eye. Nobody at all never did that this year and that discriminate your whole long time blood clot. You can't live off of your own steam because you love see people with their steam and run it down too much. You never need a series. When Vybz Kartel come from jail, Stink Pussy Rose never there on Freedom Street. Batman Hakim then never there. So could figure it out never there. But you was in the presence of so much people with substance, so much people of legendary status. You could have did it because you're legendary yourself and you drop your own thing, fucking idiot girl. You could have there all over the world and dance on stage with Cartel if you did roll out and firm. They are Cartel foot and make Cartel know say, oh, me for the online store them and show them a dance. You want cock up on TikTok and beg all day so good girl, nasty girl. You want sit up.
My people, and that's why you see me, you have to be careful more while who you like share your energy with, you know, and your relevancy with, you know. Sometimes you feel like say, yo, it is a good look, and you know what I mean, it's only up. But remember me tell you, what goes up must come down. So maybe in the long run it a gonna be bad for you and bad for your legacy where you build. You see me I say, but them say all publicity good. You know what I mean? Whether good or bad, you see me I say it make you relevant. So let me know what you think.
Right, yes, so I'm fumble double out your thing, drunk rock, y'all, so you stay. You never want to live in the legendary status where you build. You want to come here, so come, easily beg. Triple chat, triple open blood clot, gift one pussy clot. None of that not real. You didn't live in a real blood clot status until you go fish out yourself. And you go pop up yourself, girl. And you left gone in this your big walk list, girl, your circle. You, Dyema attitude, make big walk list, non-progressive elements, stink Pussy Rose. Tell you, say, you bad man, she only want a big stone in a for your blood clot fast eat them, you know. You want somebody take up one blood clot big stone and lick out the whole life fast eat them out of your blood clot mouth. You make one big stinking dirty blood clot gutter rat look on you and tell you, say, you Dyema attitude, Miss at work, Miss dirty wine, bad man, big stink pussy, overweight, fat she. You know, say you're a fucking idiot. And you put yourself this of your blood clot, get this. No big stinking overweight, non-progressive stink pussy girl can't tell me that. Cause me no bad mind for overweightness, a blood clot or sugar or cholesterol. Me can't bad mind a girl for blood clot deathbed. Me can't bumbo clot bad mind no girl for insulin. You mad the pussy, well I'm your general. Let me tell you that. You sit down and make one big stink overweight thinking pussy girl this you when nobody know want. She come and she a show about her, the way she put her key, nobody know want. She live in her pigment or thinking pussy imagination. Remember now, when you put yourself around that dirty Dyema, you come a ball. Why? A girl alone make me ball. Cause you can't see some of your head. You see me? But cry no more than. I beg you don't cry no more. You not ball no more. You come spread off your blood clot face. Make blood clot haggily make you a ball. You can't make haggily make you ball. Dyema dirty wine attitude. You make haggily sour pussy think Rose from down a sea view. Make you come on yassa blood clot ball. You make sour power. The sourest thing of the hour. Make you blood clot come on this come ball. Sour pussy think Rose. You know see our baby father if you can talk about her pit underneath her. The woman pussy smell like one fucking latrine. And you make one thinking big sour overweight blood clot thinking molly carpet like that. Come here disgrace you. You're mad. You can't make them they thinking something they talk about you like that. That's why you have status. Dyema, you're bigger than me. You're bigger than the whole blood clot TikTok and you put yourself up wrong. Every blood clot bring down we go on TikTok your name in night. You was a big legend like that. Dyema, we shouldn't even see if you talk to you. You be the pan Cartel then level. You waste your time. You're careless. You're living in your young girl days. Dyema, you're so 93, you know. Mr. Dyema, you're so 93. Me say, well, you can't teeth them a drop out. You know no more wisdom teeth left in your mouth. You see, well, your teeth them a get shaky in your mouth and dentures you reach to. You fi find yourself as a big blood clot woman. You're living in your legendary standard, but you're in your legendary standard, but you make blood clot ugly. Come here, sir, deal with you, sir. Huggy power, you make sour dog, big whale, me say you make one blood clot human walrus. Make you feel how you feel. You want a box in your mouth. You deserve